us, giraffes! Come get a vaccine! Bro, it's so far away. We need to elevate our tactics.
Because the giraffe's territory is so large, this is the easiest way to get them the medication that they need.
If a giraffe gets one of these diseases, what's its odds of dying? 100%. It's dead. Really? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's save some giraffe lives. Yeah! Hey, let's get that other one. Hey, we ain't leaving till all the giraffes are vaccinated.
Even though I now had air superiority,
Enjoy your medicine, take care!
I brought in extra help to save as many animals as possible.
I see 5 unvaccinated giraffes! 4 unvaccinated giraffes! 3 unvaccinated giraffes! The last one's the one in the front. Yeah! Look at that! 5 in a row! We're on a kill streak! Although we're not killing them, we're saving their lives. What in the butt?